Okay guys, welcome to your 34th tutorial of XHTML, and as you can see we're moving on to making forms. Okay, so a form is where you can input information into your website page, but don't forget now this is only making the form. You then have to look further on. When I get into it, we're going to do a bit of PHP and MySQL, and we'll show you how exactly to store that information and to retrieve that information from a form. Right, so the first thing to do is open up two tags form, make sure they turn purple, and that will tell you that your tags are complete, as we say. So first thing you want to give it is a name. So I'm going to call this user, I'm going to go underscore ID, okay. Then what we're going to do is hit this, we're going to put an open bracket, then we're going to put input. Now the input is just a type, and in this case is equal to text, okay. Because we're telling them what exactly it is. You have to give it a name. So the name for this I'm going to call it, let me see, user underscore ID. Okay? And after that we're going to have to give it a size. So in this case I'm going to give it a size of equal to say 10. Okay, so that's the max length I'm going to give it is 10. Now a value is basically what's going to show up in the box. So you're telling them, like, you know, you have to show a value. What exactly is it? What are you looking at, you know? And in this case, I'm going to say enter name. Okay? Now I close that off, and just like that. I'm going to save that. I'm going to run. I'm going to launch in Firefox. Okay. Now Firefox can be slow, so we wait and see how long it takes. So it just can get slow. But here we go. Let's get a little bit quicker. I hope so. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe it is. But here we go. We're moving. Alright, so we've got a user ID. There's the value, right? And then it's telling us to enter our name here. So that's basically the opening of a form. Now, with a form, you can give it a max length too. So in this case, we can turn around and say, right, the max length of value we can stick in. And say max length GTH if we got it with enough. And we put it equal to, in this case, I'm going to give it 20. Give me a bit of space, some words, you know. Give us something there first. So if I refresh my page, see, it doesn't change. But if I go and do this, enter name here, save this. Yeah, we're going to edit it, we're going to save it, and we're going to refresh this page. Enter name. Hold on, max length. Size, I should change my size. Say equal to 20 on the size as well, okay? It's early, guys. You have to give me a chance here today. It's early. So there you go. It extends the box out. Enter name here, okay? So if you're doing a form, basically is you don't have to show up the whole of this enter name here. You can just please enter. The size, just the maximum username. Obviously, you wouldn't have a username of 20, maximum probably 10 to 12, depending on where you're dealing with. Max length is just the length that you're allowed to submit into the box. Okay? So if you went and put a username that was 25, it would say, hey, hold on a minute, you don't. No way, nobody has a name that length, and nobody usually go above 10 to 12. So basically, it's just to sum up here again, guys. A form, open and closing. The user ID, okay, you've seen this, the user ID, it's just going to pop up right here to your top left hand side. Your box will open, your name, you have it, the input is telling the browser is going to be text, the size is going to be the max length of the input, max length itself is going to be the max number of characters you can put into that box, okay, and the value is just going to show up in the box, enter name here. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you at number 35. Take care, bye bye.